it counts taking care of people.
Yo, they said that?
Yeah.
They let you that?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Right? I have a revoked license for a Dewey.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. Obi!
That was just slide. Cheap trick on tour this summer with Ron Stewart. Need some area dates to keep track. Saratoga Springs, July 27th. Definitely looking to check out that show. That should be cool. Take that with you. Got White Snake and
Tires, fucking four-wheel.
This week, flashback goes to the year of the first investment under Pink Floyd's Dark Side, 1973.
This is fucking tough getting accounts. I'm on a fucking quad this time, buddy. We've done enough today. Dude. Formerly known as J5's Lawn Care, Murphy's Lawn. Getting it done. Good old Nantucket. Like good old Griffin. Oh. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah. So like I usually just like try to blow straight, and then once I get to the end of their, then I blow it like towards their backyard. But yeah. Do you want, like, should I snowblow? I should snowblow too, no?
Yeah, if you want, yeah. I'm just gonna start here. I'm just gonna start going down the driveway.
Word. Yeah, have at it. Fucking formerly known as J5's Lawn Care, Murphy's Lawn. Look at this fucking guy about to get the account done without me. Not bad. Looks like I'm not needed here. That thing's too gnar. What the hell?
Monster kill.
Shot. Taking care of people.
Yo, they said that?
Yeah.
They let you that?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Right? I have a revoked license for a Dewey.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. Obi! Go get the ergonomic. Yeah, buddy. fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, I was about to snap this shit.
That counts. What a prick. Dude, it's fucking brutal.
Okay.
Soggy. No, ergonomic. Alright. Let him do one more pass. Let's get whatever here. And yeah, we'll get whatever's right here, and then
Yeah.
I think that's it. So CJ, it's key to give someone an end result. He's probably like, I wonder when I can stop now. There you have it, kids. Knocking out accounts.
10-minute house, baby.
Where do we stand? We just got salt. Maybe little touch-ups. Yeah. Good old Morley's rig. That's so gnar.